Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable app lock in WhatsApp for extra security. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Press on settings. Now go to privacy. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of app lock. Click on this. Now, if you want to enable app lock in WhatsApp for your extra security, you just have to turn on the button. Confirm your biometric and set your time. That's it. So this is how to enable app lock in WhatsApp for extra security. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.